unlock it my phone. I can unlock it.
The only thing I'm sure about is fingerprint, because everybody's fingerprint is different.
Yes.
And you can't, that's the only thing I would use.
And the retinal scan.
And the retinal. I will use that.
And palm. Because they do have ones that do palm scans now, too.
I don't know about palm. I should have found the stuff first. Will you start finding?
All right, guys. This is mistake number 1. You always want to find the stud in the wall first before you try to mount your bracket. All right? Because this way, because if you look in the bracket, it has those holes. That way you could put the holes right in front of that stud. This way, when you go to drill or anchor the bracket to the wall, everything will be in line. So always find stud first.
Just the beats.
That's a 1/2 inch.
That's what it requires?
This kid says it.
Oh, and another thing that's very important, you always want to know what kind of stud you have in the wall, whether it's metal or wood. Metal studs require toggle bolts, wood require wood screw. Always remember that. Okay, so in this case, we have metal studs, and we're using a 1/4 inch toggle bolts to mount this bracket. Okay, now it's time to mount the bracket, and here we have the screw, and we're just trying to find the right washer to put over the screw. Always use a washer, very important. Okay, now it's time to mount the bracket, and with these kind of toggle bolts, because it's plastic, guys, we always have to hand tight first. After you hand tight, then you could grab your drill and tighten it. Then get your level, make sure everything level before you give that final secure tug. All right, now that the mount is mounted, electrical work time. So just stay tuned and watch how we do the electrical work, guys. Okay, so now it's time to install this recessed electrical outlet. So just stay tuned for that and watch how it's done.
Usually there is, or sometimes they design it on the box itself, just to save material, whatever. Mm-hmm. I think the last one I did for you, it was on the box.
They said to turn it around.
What?
They said turn this. Yeah, it's on the box.
It's on the box?
Yeah. You said read the instructions, Al. It's literally the first thing they say.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, but it's not on the box.
No.
All right, guys. You know I'm transparent. I'm going to tell you like it is. So as you saw earlier in the video,
That's not a video, yo.
I measured how to cut the hole, and it's precise. It's 100%. But I was looking for the template. Usually they put a paper with the template in the box, or they might have it inside the box. But with this manufacturer, what they did is, you see these right here? This is the actual template. So you put this against the wall and you draw this, you draw that, you draw that line, and you draw that line, and then you connect the dots all the way around and cut it. Thank you to my supervisor. Supervisor, you want to say what's up? My supervisor. He read the manual, guys. I don't like reading. So I went old school, did my measurement. I was accurate, but now we know the template is actually these lines right here. All right, boom. Let's continue with the video.
All right, guys. Now we're just gonna finish doing the electrical work. So less talking. Just watch this video and enjoy. All right, this is the finished product. Let us know what you think, guys, in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.